This is day one, already in progress. This project requires that all these cabinets be tore out. This cabinet, this is where the problem started with this sink. This refrigerator will end up back in there. The ceiling has already been torn out and replaced with drywall. Just now finishing that up at the middle of day one. Microwave will be replaced with a new set of cabinets here. One of the tricks was that this power source to this light stayed hot at all times, but since I had the ceiling down out of there, I drilled a hole through, dropped a piece. The two wires are together. That's going to be ran up and across into the wall behind the cabinets down to the outlet, which will be installed here. There'll be a light switch here, which will control this light, which will replace the fan. We'll control that light in there. We'll control the under counter light. We'll control the lights on top of the cabinets and the under counter lights over there. The floor is going to be tiled. 1 foot square tiles, ceramic. The door's got a couple of issues. We'll just take that off and trim off the bottom of the door. Basically, we're going to flip upside down door casing and add to this molding so we don't have to tear it up. So that way we'll just tear the carpet up. We'll lay the tile, the concrete floor, the concrete backer, lay the tile, and then we'll put, and that'll be it for this project. It should be done in 14 work days. So this is leaking, rotting the floor out, and the water is running down this door and onto the floor.